I will talk about how can you disable passcode on your Truecaller app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So sorry, we will go back. You click here on your photo profile, then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on message and you just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on passcode lock. You just click on it here. Then here add your passcode you add before. So then you come here to passcode lock for messages, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see, and you click here on delete passcode, then it's going to disable with us now, like you see on your Truecaller app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.